Renzystylers, welcome back to another video. Now I'm so excited to share a new store that some of you might have never heard about. I found this store on Instagram and decided that I have to visit just to share with you some other places that you can shop other home items. So your pillow, your comforter, your towels, your throws and all that, you can get it here, and it's no other place than Sweet Life JA. They are located on off Concern Spring Road at 1 Grosvenor Terrace to be exact. So you guys can come and check them out. I hope you enjoy this little vlog, and just to share a few items that you can get here, and ensure when you come here you tell them that Renzystyle sent you. So starting off with this section, I realized that I'm seeing some discounted prices so far that you guys will love. Wow, if you're a person and you have animals, you have dogs, and so this one would be lovely for you. Look at this one. Wow, this one is nice as well. And I should let you know that the things that they have here are luxury items for your home. They cater to small hotels, Airbnb, private home. So if you need anything that is luxury, you can come on over to Sweet Life JA just to get that sweet life into your home. So they have cushion covers and all.
Memory foam. So we've taken some of the inserts out of it, which you can do by removing some of the filling.
Oh,
so you can adjust it to what you want. If you don't want it too firm, then you remove it. If you want it firm, you don't have to remove. So that is without some of it. And then this is it with it. So this is what I like about these pillows, that they can be adjusted compared to regular pillows where you can't adjust them.
You hear that, guys? So they are adjustable. So you can always adjust them based on how you want them, and this one feels pretty comfortable. I like this one.
Fine for the standard queen. So they're between 6,800 to 7,000. No, 6,800.
So as you heard, you can come on and get your pillows. This one is a Pandora luxurious extra soft pillow. So if you're a person that loves soft pillow, you can get it. Also in this basket, I see they had these towels for $800. These are like some waterproof towels that you can get as well.
So these are on sale for $750 now.
Okay.
I don't know how I'm going to show you how
That's
big it is.
Yeah. Okay.
And they're nice in your washing machine because they're on the sand.
So as you heard, they are very good in the washing machine, and they are waterproof large beach towels. They have different towels, and as you can see, most of the stuff are white and gray, neutral colors, and you can come on and get these products here. They are luxury items, so they last long. The prices are there as well, because you know quality come with price, so don't expect to get cheap prices here for quality stuff. So you can always come and check them out. These are organic cotton microfiber. So they have bed sheets as well. They have these gray ones. These, as you can see, it's luxe and all. So if you're looking for some queen size and so and king, they do have them here for you as well. So as the name suggests, Sweet Life JA, it gives you that sweet sleep, so, and that sweet comfort. They have these throw blankets as well that you can use to decorate your space. Remember, there are many ways you can use to make your home look luxurious, and just by throwing a little throw on the bed or the sofa, it gives that pop. So ensure that you come on and check them out for that as well. They have these towels and other throw These are like 7,200, and guys, let me tell you, the quality of them are pretty good. If you purchase these, it will last long. That's what I get from it. So once you do your purchase, they will last long, and they support they really do cater to hotels, as I said, Airbnb. So the fact that they're catering to these businesses, you know that the stuff them have to be quality. These are some set of rugs, Paramount rugs, for like 2,450. They have cushions in different colors as well. So these are just a few of the items that they have. They have king size bed sheets. This is Pandora as well, home collection. They have rug, single rug. They have so many items. I see comforter as well. This is a king mattress protector, Westbrook. So you're getting luxe here. So don't come here expecting cheap product. Here is luxe. This is Wild Sage as well, and Code. Some of these brands I really have to check out to understand them myself. Some of them is the first I'm hearing these, and they seem like they're good brands. They have king size, and said there are so many persons that always want king size stuff, and it's hard to get king size. 4,100 for the standard cover. So many items here that you can come on and check out, and they have them in neutral colors. So if you're, cause they cater to the hotels, and so she was mentioning to me that it is easier to bleach and all, instead of like the dark colors, the blue ones, so that can't be bleached. So they do cater to these neutral colors for the Airbnb and the hotels as well. Over this section, they had these queen size duvet covers, and as I said, you can get so many luxe items here. So if you need a duvet cover, they have it here for you as well. And they have the towel set, they have rug set, comforter, so many little products that they have here. Come on and check them out for yourself. The video not doing in here any justice, so if you want to see for yourself, just come on. This is a Pandora duvet as well, and they do have this towel, $6,700, and these are large as well. So ensure you come on over and check them out. Remember to tell them that Renzystyle sent you. This is all, it's a small store that cater to small hotels and so on. If you love this video, you will love the next video on screen. Ensure you visit them.